Hello, I'm Jessica Dehart, and I'm the Executive Director here at Mooresville Arts. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for a tremendous and successful 2025. Thank you to all of our donors and sponsors. Thank you to our volunteers and members, and thank you to the staff. We couldn't do it without each and every one of you. We are looking forward to a bright and beautiful 2026. See you next year.
Hi everyone, I'm Brenda Kedlesick, Executive Assistant here at Mooresville Arts. I wanted to thank you all not only for your generous donations, but believing in our mission. We look forward to another wonderful year ahead.
Hi, I'm Linda Maggio, Education Director here at Mooresville Arts. We'd like to thank you all for all of your generosity and support throughout the year. We have a lot of exciting things coming up in 2026, especially in education, so come check us out.
Hi, my name is Claire Allen. I'm the Gallery and Events Assistant here, and I'm also the shop manager. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for your generosity, and I'm looking forward to the next year and how that's going to help us with the shop experience and also just experience in general here in the gallery.
Hey, this is Kristen Collins, Social Media and Marketing Director, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for such a wonderful year of support for Mooresville Arts. We are looking forward to what's ahead in 2026 and wish you all the best.
I'm Dixon Henshaw. I'm on the Board of Directors here at Mooresville Arts. And I came here today to say thank you to all of you. We asked you to give us $70,000 to celebrate our 70 years here in Mooresville Arts. And you gave us $85,000. So huge thank you from everybody at Mooresville Arts. We have big plans for Mooresville Arts in the future. So stick around, come see us in 2026. You're going to see what we've done with everything that you've given us. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Brenda Picorni, your board member here at Mooresville Arts. And I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who contributed so generously to our fundraiser 70 for 70. What a fabulous way to finish off what was a great year for Mooresville Arts. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Crane, a board member at Mooresville Arts. I just want to take this moment to share with you how deeply grateful we are for your generous support of our 70 for 70 program. Your donation helps us to not only broaden our programming, but also to empower artists, enrich lives, and ensure that the arts remain accessible to everyone who seeks them. Thanks so much for believing in our mission and for making a meaningful difference through your kindness and generosity. Have a wonderful holiday season.
Hello, my name is Vafa McLucci. I'm a board member of Mooresville Arts. I want to really thank everyone who participated in exhibits this past year that have come to visit the depot and all those that have contributed to Mooresville Arts. It really was an incredible 2025 and looking forward to carrying that energy and momentum into 2026. Thank you for your support.
Hi, my name is Larissa Camp, and I'm a member of the board at Mooresville Arts. I just wanted to take a moment to thank our generous community for your support of our 70 for 70 annual campaign. Your belief in the arts makes everything we do possible, and because of you, Mooresville Arts will continue to inspire creativity, connections, and growth for all in the future. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support.
Hi, I'm Diane Salter from the Mooresville Arts Board of Directors. We all want you to know how grateful we are for your generous support. And thank you for making the 70th anniversary of Mooresville Arts a successful one.
Hey, I'm Brad Lefew, board member at large with Mooresville Arts. And I'd like to say thanks to everybody that participated in, volunteered for, and contributed to our 70 for 70 giving campaign this year. Because of your efforts and all your wonderful love for our organization, we have surpassed our goal. So we're looking forward to 2026 being a great year and can't wait to see you at Mooresville Arts. Thank you again.